everyone, welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. I hope you're all well. So this is the second video as where I'm going to explain to you and tell you a bit more about the Alice journal swap that I've been part of. So as you may or may not have known, we've been doing It's All About Alice this month on our channel. We've got a giveaway that is currently running. If you haven't yet entered the giveaway, please go and check out the video. It's in the All About Alice playlist. It'll be the last video on there. Make sure you enter because we're giving away a journal at the end of July. But I also entered into a swap event to swap an Alice in Wonderland journal. And my partner's name is Frances. She's a lovely lady. I've seen some of the other journals that she's made and swapped with people also in the group, and she makes the most beautiful things. The last video you'll have seen the journal that I made to send to her, and her journal has arrived, so I'd love to share it with you because it is beautiful. I've taken it out of the packaging previously because it came arrived wrapped up beautifully in this lovely tissue paper, and then inside this amazing, let me just quickly show you this amazing paper that's got all these psychedelic colours on. So we'll be reusing that, but it was quite noisy to open, so I thought I'd get that done out the way and then it's not irritating you guys in your ears. This beautiful card from Frances with a lovely image on the front of there, so thank you for that, Frances. I can put that in my journal, and this is the beautiful, beautiful journal that she's made for me. So I'm going to just go through this quickly with you all, and again you might have some more ideas about your Alice journal. So she's taken, I'm not quite sure what she's used, but it feels like hardcover, so I'm not sure if it's card or whether she's covered a book. I'm not quite sure, but it's beautiful. It's a hardcover book, and she's covered it with fabric, and there's this gorgeous tassel on there, which I'm yet to try one of these, so I may have a little look at how she's done that after and give it a whirl. But that really is beautiful. And then she's got this quite interesting little clasp on the top of here, which again I've not seen that done before. I'm always a little bit baffled as to how to attach the tassel to the journal, so there you go, just share that with you guys there. Beautiful, beautiful neat binding as well. And then on the front here we've got the word journal, a little thank you from Wonderland, and this amazing image of a very tall looking Alice in Wonderland. And the ties are made with sari silk, and they are beautiful. So let's dive in, shall we? Let's see what excitement awaits us in here. So we got some awesome images here from Alice in Wonderland. I'm just wondering if you guys are zoomed in enough. Do you want me to just bring in a bit more? There we go. Okay, and then we've got another image here of Alice in Wonderland, and she's about to drink out of the bottle. Oh, look at this. Right, let me see if I take this. This is the world's tiniest paperclip. I don't think I've ever seen anything as cute as that in my life. So I'm going to put that there really safe. And in here, she's made a little shaker bag. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to ask where she's got these from. Can you see that they are so tiny, 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 tiny little playing cards in there, look. And she's put that in there with all glittery stuff. That's fab. Frances, you must tell us where you got these little hearts and clubs and diamond cards from. They are super cute. So that's a little shaker there. That's a bit of fun, isn't it, in the front of the journal? That's fab. I'm going to just put that paperclip back because I really don't want to lose that. That is just so cute. And Frances, you are also in the UK, so I'd love to know where you've got your cute little paperclip from, if you don't mind me asking, because they fascinate me. Oh, I'm saying that now, and I'm not going to be able to do that. Oh, I got it. Ah, there we go. Never work with stationery and animals or children live, because it all goes Pete on. So in this pocket here that she's made from some absolute gorgeous playing cards that clearly have got an Alice theme, we then got some Alice ephemera. So this super cute little image here, and this lovely tag, and then here she's got some images then that look like they're out of an Alice book as well. They're just lovely. We've got another one of those cute little paper clips up there as well, and then we've got these lovely pom-pom pieces then on the ends of the pages. So let me just prise that off there a second. I don't want to damage anything. And then in here then we've got some more of the Alice ephemera, and I think I'm right in saying yes. God, you know that moment when you just don't want to pull it in case it's not meant to pull something out? That was that then. See, this was the clue. She put this on so you would know it comes out. So we got a little journaling card in there. Oh, with Chink Chink, a set of keys. And that's just lovely. me just put that safely back in there a second. And then I will put that back on. These paper clips are lovely, but I'm saying that with somebody like my fingers, I'm not great with little things, so perhaps it's best I don't purchase them. I'm going to leave that for there a minute because I don't want to tear the paper. I'll come back to that. And then here we've got this lovely envelope. Oh my goodness, and look what she's done here. So in here, this is eco dyed paper, this is, with some lovely flowers, leaves on, but she's actually turned this envelope into a little mini journal. What a great idea. Because lots of the kits have envelopes in this shape, so that's a great idea, that is, Frances. That's a different way of us using things that come in kits rather than just feeling we have to do it a certain way, if that makes sense. So here we've got a pocket with some lace and a lovely journaling card that's been aged and dyed. And then, oh, I remember that picture there. That's out of one of the original Alice book stories. And here we've got some more journaling space and some journaling cards with tea and coffee dye. I'm going to say coffee dye, I think, because I can smell it. And in here, she's taken some scraps, look, and made this really cool collage at the side of the page. And then we've got an altered envelope here. Oh gosh, look at this. Right, this is really busy. So we've got a belly band here on the back with these fab file folders. Make sure I put those back in the right order. So that looks really cool. And then in here, oh, we've got some of this lovely eco dyed paper. Love this paper. I'm gonna have to give this a go one day. That's lovely, that is. And that just tucks in there nice and neatly. Fab. And then here, oh look, it's the Mad Hatter. Oh, that's cute. I like that. And then in here we've got a tiny envelope. I'm not going to take that off because I probably won't get it back on. With a tiny little writing space in there as well, and some more of the pom-pom trim. And then here he is. He's late. A very important date. It's our rabbit. And then up here we've got more journaling space then with another image of the white rabbit. I'm not going to take that paper clip off because I don't want to disturb the page a minute. And then we've got another altered envelope here. Altered envelope, is that right? Is it an altered envelope? Well, it's an envelope and it's been used as a pocket. It's been coffee dyed and then some of the Alice images added to it. And then inside then we've got some more of these Alice postcards. Wow, look at those. They're cool, aren't they? I've not seen these images before. Must be another kit. Let's have a little look at that. And then here we've got an interesting little belly band with a beautiful heart. And then there's another little writing journal here. I love these little writing journals. And then some more of these fabulous file folders. Now these are great in journals because you want to use your journal to like collect little mementos. They're ideal to put like little tickets or receipts in. They just keep everything safe rather than just flopping out of the pockets. So they're fabulous. I love those. And then again, we've got that little writing book there. So that's awesome. And then here we've got a lovely page. Oh, I like this. That's really tactile and yummy. And then we've got tall Alice, and she's hiding here under the lace. She needs to really stop drinking potions, doesn't she? Otherwise she's never going to shrink down. Got some more collage in then with this lovely Alice kit and a fab postcard. And then we've got lots of writing space, which is wonderful. Oh, it's our Cheshire Cat grinning. And a lovely little fabric tab. And then we've got the Queen and King of Hearts, and she looks very grumpy in there, I must say. And then in here, oh my goodness, look, we've got a really tiny little journal. That is so cute. I just love that. That is lovely. So we'll pop that back in there. And she's showing off. She's always showing off, isn't she, that naughty queen? And then here we've got another pocket here, an envelope pocket. Again, I'm going to leave that on for now. I don't want to keep pulling it all out. And look at this beautiful, I believe that's a crocheted flower there with a little floral button in the middle as well. That is just lovely. And then in here, then we've got some tags. And they're just fab, aren't they? So like I say, lots of places to write in. And a beautiful lace belly band with some more images from the Alice in Wonderland story, and some more of these great file folders. Gosh, she's a bro. I can't get over how many different ones there are. We're all mad here, he says. Not me, Mad Hatter with the rabbit. That's actually the hare, I think, isn't it? Because there's two. I used to get quite confused about that. I think there's a rabbit and there's a hare in the Alice story. Oh, wow. Gosh, we've got lots going on here. So she's made a kind of collage page end, but it's all little scrappy bits to write on. And then in this pocket here, then we've got the caterpillar, who I think has had a few too many because he's a bit strange, isn't he? Caterpillar. And then we've got another envelope. Oh, I like this. This is cool. So we've got half an envelope here that is being used as a pocket. But it just looks like it's an envelope there minding its own business until you actually look. That's great. And then we've got another one of these lovely belly bands. And just get that out of there. Some more file folders. Come on, Alice, out you come. I know she's getting caught on, but she doesn't want to come out of there a minute. I'm going to go the other way. There we go. That's it. Right, so there's a lovely little pocket envelope there. And again, some more of these lovely file folders. So like I said, these are perfect and ideal if you are, you know, wanting to keep mementos in your journals. My partner and I like to travel. Well, we did pre-COVID. And the one thing that we've always done, even before I found junk journaling, was we always keep loads of little memorabilia from wherever we've gone. And when I first started journaling, I started making scrapbooks of our holidays and putting pictures in. And my scrapbooks are full of, you know, like tickets, little ticket stubs. You know, we print off stuff when you go into an event or whatever. And there's lots of little bits and pieces in there, but these are ideal for keeping, you know, just your little mementos and things that are in. So that's great. And receipts again as well, if you want to hold on to those. Lovely little fabric flip there. And then we've got another pocket here. So what have we got in here? There's just so much to look at. It's a lovely postcard and some more of this eco paper. I'm going to have to find out how she's done that. It's going to be a video for the future, I think. Definitely need to have a go at that. Love this image here. And then we've got some more postcards, lots of journaling spots, and another one of these beautiful hearts, and there's a lovely doily under there. So much texture in this journal, it's amazing. And then here then, she's used this one as a bit of a flip down so that I can write in there. And we've got like a little bookmark and another postcard. So that's fab. He's late. Sounds like me, I'm always late these days. And then we've got another one of these lovely little pockets with a journaling card in. Pop that back in there. There we go. And that just tucks away nice and hidden. Oh, there's something else in there. Gosh. And then we've got, oh, another lovely journaling card in there. Okay, that's brilliant. So we pop those back in there. There we go. And then here, we've got a little brown envelope. Oh, it's got a little tuck. Oh, that's cute. And then some more little journaling cards then with Alice images on. Aren't they just fabulous? They've all been stained and inked. Because everything in here feels really oldie worldy. It's lovely. And then we've got some more of that lovely scrap collage. And I think she coffee dyed that beautiful lace there. And there's writing space there. I'm mad, you're mad, we're all mad. We've got a tag here. And there's another envelope there with some more of those lovely cards in. Again, I'm not going to take it out for the time being because I'm struggling with the paper clips a minute. My hand. But I will have a look at all those later. And then here, oh gosh. So that is a real postcard with Alice in Wonderland on. How amazing is that? So there we go. Pop that in there. And then here, oh, this is so cute. We've got one of these lovely little flip notebooks again. That's just fab. So I put that in there. It was tucked in there like that wasn't in the pocket. That's it. And then behind that then we've got another tag. And who's on? Oh, of course, there she is. The lady herself, Queen of Hearts. My goodness. She was a formidable character, wasn't she? find it quite terrifying as a child watching the films. And then here we've got some more of these lovely little journal cards. And a little tuck up there. And we've got another one of those little pocket envelopes here. And we've got another envelope here. Again, just lots of Alice stuff on. I'm going to take that off later. And then another sentiment there with the white rabbit. And a postcard. Inside another altered envelope. Coffee dyed envelope rather. Got some more journal spots here. And some more ephemera. And another envelope here. I knew who I was this morning, but I've changed a few times since then. My goodness. And then here we've got, oh, these are so cute. I love these little journaling books. Oh gosh, she's been shouting. And then here we've got some more. Oh, I see that's one card. Gosh, I need to put my other glasses on. That was 2 pieces of paper then. This is great. There's just so much journaling space in here. Just be careful putting that back in there. And then we've got another tag here. And then we're at the end. And we've got a little bit more then of the lovely Alice paper there. Well, that's just fantastic. I absolutely love that journal. Thank you so much, Frances. Oh, I'm just going to put your card in there a moment, just so I don't lose that and I don't forget where it's come from. Thank you so much. It was so much fun to do the swap after having done the It's All About Alice series, to then be able to do just you know, another one that, because obviously you guys helped me out loads, didn't you, with the giveaway journal, and I had to use my own imagination for this one, so it was a bit of fun and it was nice because I did manage to come up with some different ideas as well. So I'm going to put that in there for a moment and I will clip that back on a little later. So there we are. Thank you ever so much for being my swap partner. I hope you all enjoyed having a look through the journal, and again a few more ideas for you all about Alice in Wonderland. Now, as I said at the beginning, if you haven't yet entered the giveaway, don't forget, go and check it out. Make sure you do it. Don't miss it, because you could win the large Alice in Wonderland journal. But we'll be back with you very soon with some more journals, I think. Have a great afternoon. Take care. Bye now.